You're a bad creator. You're 1,000,000,000% a bad creator. Dude,
you'll never see me here, man.
Stop lying. No, dude. I'm not getting you.
Sometimes I look at.
Get out!
I'm gonna draw Mike. A lot of people say.
Sometimes I look
I
at
hate your video! Get away, dude. I'm just going to scroll lightning fast, dude. I hate those videos on YouTube, all of them. Except for not annoying ones. You guys are enough to make me do this.